Hi, this is Maithili. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create MDX sets. So I'm going to close this to make it big screen. Okay. Okay. Here, sets. So obvious, right? We need two columns or pair data. So here, I have selected from this course dimension. The category is convertible type and the category is coupe type. So if I if I want only the category, those two items, we have to write everything in this curly braces like it's like a path on rows. So just it's going to give you the output of only these two categories and from this measure I'm run this. Okay, let's see. See, just convertible and copy on rows and then the columns is measure members. It means it's pulling all members. So just the all four of them and two rows for only for those two type categories. And then just like in case if I want that chord in that here we have that chords dimension, right? In the chords dimension we have a lot of attributes available. It's kind of country is one of our available. So in case country, if I'll show you here. This is cost, right? Click this. Here we have this country. We want browse the country level. This is company model hierarchy. We selected this country. This is Germany, Japan. Like these are all the country level. So in case if we want to see the results for only the country USA and Germany for all course model, then in this course model, the only I want to see the results for those two countries. And the columns, it's measure all columns. Okay, I'm going to run this file. See, only those two countries, all the members of this measure, it's pulling. And I'm going to show you how to use children in our hierarchy model. Okay, and country. Okay, I'm going to run this. See, in USA, how many children? In Germany, how many children? We are going to see this. I'm going to open up this and I'm going to open up a country model hierarchy. And in Germany, we have two children. Okay, and USA, we have two children. Okay, so it's listing the two children of Germany and the two children of USA. And then all the details about the measures. Okay, if you run this, the hierarchy is called it's children here. Okay, I'm going to make it big. This is just country USA, and I want to see all the companies in USA. Just run this. This only the two, Lincoln and Cadillac. Company model hierarchy. Okay. Run this. It's showing me the members of all columns from this measure and the model hierarchy, you see. And this. In ESA, we have 2 children, right? Dearborn and Warren. It's listing. This is kind of the descendants of course model hierarchy. I picked ESA, and then in this course model hierarchy, just self. Self and after. It's listing. I'll show you here. You see, so it's listing. So the descendant and the self. So it's listing everything. Dearborn, Lincoln, 21, MPC, everything. So self and after. If you include this, you can be able to get all those information. And if you have any calculated members, you have to explicitly specify add calculated members on columns so that you can be able to see calculated members. Right now I don't have any calculated members on this, so I'm going to jump this. See, this is kind of the normal measure, only the price on columns, and country model hierarchy, just the city and this hierarchy model members on rows. I'm going to run this. So it's this price on columns, and then the secondary, the city model, the city is listing, and then the model is listing. Okay. Then yeah, you can use cross join, join in this MDX query. Just price from this measure, and then I cross join with the hierarchy model from country model. I selected this only the city, and then cross join with the measure price columns. Let's see. See the price on columns and country model city and city comma in the sense the next the models it's listing here. See, it's listing here. So basically it means it's selected this city and the model, and in addition to that this price on columns. So for this price it's listing here. See, you can able to read this right now, the city members and the course model, and it's the same query, right? See, it's listing the city and then the model and the price. And if you want anything like a non-empty data, kind of non-empty, so you have to include that non-empty in front of this question, so that it's going to give you only the non-empty result. So now basically that there is no null value here, so that's why you cannot find any difference here. I'm going to run this. So everything. Oh, we have two unknown columns. See here, and because I didn't include any non-empty here, so that's why I'm getting this value. So if I include non-empty, it's filtering. Okay. So this is the way to write MDX query. So basically MDX, we need cube. In that cube, definitely it's obvious it's going to have dimension measures. So based upon that dimension and measures, if I write a query in that MDX, it's called MDX query. Okay. I will catch you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye.